Food line at International Indian Rally 2003. 2025. Sorry. Oh, food is good, delicious, of course.
Men Søren, hvad fanden?
Ja. Det er så godt.
Søren, du skal lige have og give mig et knus, før du henter bestik.
Ja. And here comes the Danish president. Ja.
Skål, mens vi vender. Vi vil altid.
Og her er det. And here is Gitte, of course.
Det er lidt for at se.
Prøv lige.
Er det ikke mig?
Han er godt lidt. Ja, det er han faktisk.
Ja.
Er det ikke rigtigt?
Skål! Hey!
Hvor er det, Bjørn? Vi skåler lige igen.
Ja. Så har vi det her. That's all.
Ikke nogen af jer. Det ligner en fælles oplevelse, I snakker om der.
Jeg har bare oplevet det.
Hey! Friends! Good. Thank you. Time. Hey! Hey, our friends! Tony? Yeah. Hey! Our friends. Hey! Our friend. You did good on silly games. Yeah.
It was too small.
Yeah, but you did very good. Hey, Anja! Hey. Very good on silly games. You did very good on the silly games.
Did I?
Yeah. Very fast.
What do you mean the slalom or the drag race?
The slalom. I didn't see the drag race.
Okay.
It was just a practice scene today. For
I had a sidecar training and we did it also.
Yeah.
And so I had a little bit practice.
Yeah. Good. I'm ready for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, you too. Yeah, I think it's going to be exciting.
I have to look if my clutch works proper. I don't know if I can do the race.
Oh, sorry.
Depends on the clutch.
Yeah, but I think you do wonderful today.
Yeah, great fun.
Yeah. And the slalom.
Yeah, it was also fun.
Yeah, it was perfect.
Ulla had taken a film of it, of the two chiefs of sidecar competition in slalom.
Yeah. I took it also, of course. He did very good. The chief and Nicolina.
What are you doing?
Film. Yeah.
This Hoffman.
I just talked to him about you because of the Saab.
Yeah. Nicolina is a sabatast. Nej. Oh, skip that.
The rally in Mexico.
You told me, yeah.
Oh, here's some more Most an MC president Det er sweet to me, ja.
Filmer du, eller tager du billeder? Kan
Ja, filmer.
Tager du film?
Ja. Here comes the Swedish people. Ja, here comes the Swedish people. Hey, and the Finnish also, of course. And some more Danish people. Yeah. Mustang members. Here come some more people. Hey. Hey. Oh yes. Here's a party going on tonight. Hey! It's International Indian Rally. And here is the youngest guy in our gang, I guess. You are our youngest guy, I think.
Maybe.
Yeah, I think so.
Youngest guy on motorcycle, maybe.
Yeah, I think so. Isn't he?
Nice to see you again.
Yeah, you are the
So
youngest.
lesson in Czech.
Yeah. And we.
Den som trådt, men der er ingen der vil købe. Det ved jeg da godt. Yeah. Det er godt.